This is the proper way to charge your Sony Ericsson. Never plug the charger. Oh no. Never plug this one to your cell phone. Don't plug this one. Then like that. Okay? You must first plug the charger to the wall. Hold this firmly with your right hand, not with your left. No. Because your left hand should hold the cell phone. Okay? Hold this tightly and firmly. Then insert as what is instructed. Okay? Like that. Then see this screen will display optimizing charging. That means, and with the lightning, the kidlat, indicate there, it's right there, the upper right of the cell phone screen. That means the cell phone is charging. Okay? Never overcharge your cell phone. Make sure it's only 1 hour. If it is fully charged, you can use it, play your MP3, download, you make a call, text, may ka-text ka na, may ka-call ka pa. Okay? If there's a problem, oh look at this cell phone. This cell phone is oh no, it's not cell phone anymore. It's not very good. That is used for pangkalang, kalang. Let's say your car, pangkalang of your car, or you can use it for like that, like that.